Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to join the TikTok Shop affiliate program and get 5,000 followers with a brand new account. I'm going to be going over some free strategies and some paid strategies. One of the reasons why you may want to be starting a brand new account is because number one, it is safer. Number two, there tends to be some algorithmic advantage that TikTok gives to new accounts so that they can kind of get that boost even though they're brand new to the platform. That algorithmic advantage that I'm talking about is kind of like a hypothesis because on the YouTube space, there is a similar concept in which new channels that are brand new, when they first start posting their videos, they tend to get a lot of views, but then they eventually taper off. It's basically like what I believe is TikTok's way to actually give a little boost to those brand new TikTok accounts. In order to get the 5,000 followers, you can either go one of two ways. You can either go through paid traffic or free traffic. To get one of my accounts to over 5,000 followers and to actually over 15,000 followers, I actually went ahead and used both methods. So the first strategy I'm going to be going over is the free traffic method first. So if you could see my screen here first, this is one of my accounts, my TikTok accounts. Its name is tiktok.com/@nick.yum. With this account, this was the first video I posted ever on my account. The strategies that I'm looking for here are number one, these videos are rather short. If we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 videos. Technically 2 videos is all it took me to hit 5,000 followers. So I would say with the free videos that you're going to be posting onto your account, keep it short, less than 20 seconds, less than 30 seconds. Next, have a single call to action. Within this first video here that you see, the call to action is follow for part 2. In this video here, the call to action is follow for part 2, comes like later in the video. For this video here, again, it's follow for part 2. Let's actually take a look at it. So this is one of my free videos that I was able to get a lot of followers, but it's only 10 seconds long. And as you can see here, there's follow for part 2. So a single call to action appears in the video. Usually it's a follow, okay? Because the point that we're trying to do here is to get to 5,000 followers so that we can apply for the TikTok Shop affiliate program. Next is the engagement part. So there's got to be something about your video or TikTok that people want to engage with. And as you can see here, it's the idea behind a potato with a smiley face that people are just commenting and going crazy about. Obviously, this video that has 2 million views has a ton of engagement. People are really in love with this potato with a smiley face. So that's the thing you have to think about. I do see that there's a lot of people who are putting smiley faces on other vegetables, etc. Really think out of the box and try to think of a way. I call it like the engagement hack. What is the engagement strategy within your video that people are going to comment with? And so in this case, these 4 videos, it's the smiling potato. Now, next, I'd say the most important concept here to get people to follow your account is something what I like to call the anticipation strategy. The main text here that appears throughout the duration of the video is 9 days left to prove to my manager that this smiling potato is more effective than his marketing strategy. 9 days left, 8 days left, 6 days left. So that anticipation strategy that you see right there is going to be a reason why people followed my account. This countdown sequence, it's also a very popular sequence, like a listicle on YouTube. When you watch a video, you count down from 10 to number 1, anticipating number 1. The same concept applies here as well. When people see my TikTok and they say 8 days left, 6 days left, they're really trying to anticipate, okay, what's going to happen on day 0? What's going to happen on day 3? That is another core reason which got people to follow my TikTok account. So people are following me because they want to see what happens next to the potato. In your case, what is something that people will follow with in your account in order to see what happens next? You really have to think about it and think out of the box. The most viewed video, if we go in order, this is the one that went insanely viral. And so it's no music, it's just me watering a potato, which is something out of the ordinary. I feel like it's something that people would comment and engage with. And again, the follow part 2 was an action, a single call to action. Here's another one. I just did the same exact concept. I didn't differ from it drastically. It's just me watering the potato again. And so with it, people are engaging, people are following. So once you have something that works, really try to stick with it. When I first posted this first video, nothing really crazy was happening. I think this video was able to piggyback off of this video here. But my idea in which I was watering a potato, just because normally you water plants, that was kind of my mindset here. And so with that being said, that is the free way of trying to get followers on your TikTok account. You can post these free videos, really try to be out of the box. Again, think about the anticipation strategy in which what is a reason why someone would follow you you in order to see what would happen next. And now, as far as the paid strategy goes, you can use paid ads to get followers. And so I'll leave a link down below in the description on how I was able to get followers through paid traffic. Each follower that I was able to get was coming out to about 6 cents per follow. The video that I ran ads towards was this video here, but I stopped it after like 200 followers just because this video here was going viral. But if you do the math, right, if you need 5,000 followers and you're paying about 0.6 cents per follower or 6 cents per follower, you're going to pay around like $300 for about 5,000 followers, which is a complete, still legitimate way to get to 5,000 followers. Now, if you have the extra cash or extra capital, like I said, I'll leave a link down below in the description where I go over how to actually run ads to get 5,000 followers, and you can follow along with me within that video. But if you have the capital, if you have the extra resources, you can technically pay about $300 to get 5,000 followers. I won't be going over how to do that detailed in this video just because I want this video to be more on free traffic, which is still an entirely legitimate way to get 5,000 followers on TikTok. Now, next, once you hit 5,000 followers, there is probably something that's going to happen with your account in which once you apply for the TikTok Shop affiliate program, there is a chance that you might get denied. But don't worry, because me getting denied after I had like 6,000 followers and then 8,000 followers, I did a ton of research online, and by research, I meant looking at Facebook groups and reading what other people had as far as what their experience was, and also reading subreddits. Subreddits had the same issue as well, with users having over 5,000 followers and being denied after they hit the 5,000 follower criteria. The caveat to this is that don't worry, don't be discouraged. All you've got to keep doing is just keep reapplying every single day. So it took me around like 8 days to finally get accepted after I hit the criteria for being eligible for the TikTok Shop affiliate program. It took others maybe like 13 days I was reading. And again, my quote unquote research comes from me reading the history chat logs of Facebook groups and the history of Reddit subreddits and really trying to understand what other people's experiences were. If you're in that position in which you hit the criteria of 5,000 followers or you're not there just yet, I'm just letting you know that it might possibly happen to you in which you might be denied. Do not worry, you will get accepted eventually, okay? You just have to apply every single day until you get accepted. You can apply multiple times throughout the day as well. That's perfectly fine. That's a common question I've gotten asked before, in which, can I keep applying throughout the same day? Yes, you can. But if you get denied today, for example, the more likely case is that you're probably still going to be denied like 8 hours from now too. At least apply when a new day resets, and then that's when you'll finally get in. And again, it took me about 8 days. It took other people about like 13 days. I haven't heard anyone just get completely denied and just never get into the TikTok Shop affiliate program. But again, this is just my heads up for you to let you know that you might get denied once you hit the 5,000 follower criteria. So there you have it, guys. If you found this video helpful in order to get 5,000 followers to qualify for the TikTok Shop affiliate program, let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and do give this video a like. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys all in the next video.